What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. In this video my goal is to take this B20 Volvo's engine into parts, and in the end of the video I will tell you more about my plans of this engine. My older son came to help me, which is very nice. First we will take the water pump out. I already actually turned the engine and it rotates well, so it's not stuck. Okay, it's full of oil and dust, but I hope it will change sooner or later. My plan is to repaint this block. So first we will take the water pump out, then I will try to open the king bolt, and then we should take the timing system and camshaft, and after that we will rotate the block, and then we try to take first the pistons, and then we try to take the crankshaft off. I already took the oil out. There was a good amount of oil, that's a good thing. And I just took this cylinder head on the table because one of my plans is to learn how to port this head. I will try to shine at least the intake. So as you can see, the channel is quite rough. So, and I think that at least here there's the corner is quite tight. So if I take a material off from here, I think the flow would be much better. But I try to find some article from the Google how to port this Volvo's head, or if you have good advice, I would appreciate that a lot. But we will keep working, and you will hear us quite soon. Water pump is already here on the table, and we managed to get the pulley off and the king bolt. This wasn't as tricky as I thought. We also managed to get this, is this a collar or something like that? We managed to get it out. And now we are opening the cover of the timing pulleys, or I actually don't know what's the right term in English, but you will see it soon. Now we are taking the camshaft out. There's this cover here with two bolts. We have already the gears here and all the bolts and covers. We have bagged all the bolts, so when we are putting this engine back together, it's much easier to know which goes where. Next we have to do some bagging again. Now we are opening the oil pan, but first we have to take this piece, aluminum piece, off from here, and then we can remove the oil pan, and after that we will take the pistons out and then the crankshaft. So this project is going on quite nicely. How are you doing?
Well.
Just well.
Yes.
We have the camshaft here already on the table. It says that it's A. So I hope in the future I have something slightly different in this engine. But we will see that later. This looks quite nice. There's only few nut pieces, a little bit junk, but this almost is just sticky oil, so nothing serious here. I'm just wondering, what is this for? Is it for coming oil, for example, from a oil cooler or from a turbo, maybe? I don't have a clue, but this looks quite okay. Nothing serious here or surprising or surprise, and the engine actually looks also quite nice. Next we will take the oil pump out, and after that we can open the rods, and we try to push the pistons out. I already pushed the oil stick on the floor because we forget that here, so now it's on the floor. This is this E-change standard, but this is Volvo's original change engine. There's a serial number, cylinder dimensions, and main bearing dim here. So this is the engine. I remembered that this is not originally from any of my cars. So this is a official change engine straight from Volvo's factory, and as you can see, the block looks like that now, and now it looks like this. Yep, I managed to get most of the grease off. My goal is to paint this as close as possible in this original color. From this side it looks even more horrible, but wait few seconds. I almost forget to say that I will do a short video about Saab next week. I have a time booked for a tuner, so I have to prepare the car. I just have to change the tires because I can't use these tires in the dyno, so I have to change them, and I will also check the oil, and I will start the engine and run it warm, and then I have to drive it also on the trailer, so I will do a short video about that. Now I think the block is ready for grease removal and new paint. I will do that later, but I think I managed to get it in quite good condition. It was full of that junk. I think it was oil and sand or dust, but check this out. The cylinders are like new. Yes, so I think this will be a very good block for my Volvo project. And the crankshaft, you can see it's like a new. So this was amazing. And I checked the bearings. You can see slightly darker areas in some places, but otherwise these are in very good condition. Like this one, you can see the dark areas there, but otherwise I can't feel any scratches, so they are in good condition. And even the piston rods and the bearings, you can see slight dark areas here too, but the bearings are in good condition. And I even cleaned the piston. I didn't use any chemicals, so I used only a rag, and I managed to get it this clean. These pistons are also in very good condition, so I think I will use these, but I will change the bearings from rods and from the crankshaft, and I think I will change the camshaft. I would like to have something little bit meaner. But you can see this is also in very good condition, only you can see a slight change of color in some places, but otherwise the engine, I think this is a good starting point. Yep, my plan is to use standard bottom in this engine. I will just replace the bearings, but I will do some magic to the cylinder head, maybe slightly bigger valves, at least the exhaust valves, and camshaft. I need a new one, and I will also use those 45 Webers in this engine. Maybe need new jets, because I will have a slightly meaner cam. But this is not a quick project, it will take some time, but now I just have to order new bearings for the crankshaft and piston rods, and then I will need a whole gasket set for the whole engine. I hope I can find them in a good price. I hope. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon!